Today we're going to be unboxing the cheapest Casio watch you can get your hands on, okay? You can probably get this watch for like $20 from your local methamphetamine dealer, okay? But yeah, basically this watch is mad cheap, okay? And we're going to get right into the unboxing. I know this is not like my typical unboxing videos for tech, but you know, I just thought I would unbox this, okay? I saw it lying around, so I bought it. And yeah, basically, right? It has a normal box, okay? I don't know what to expect. I don't know what you expected. It's a box. Okay, you open the box and I do this cringe shit that I don't know why I did, but I did it. Okay, I thought it looked cool, but it didn't. But yeah, basically the watch itself is wrapped inside it a plastic bag to keep it safe from the elements, you know, just in case the snow gets to it or some shit. And it has a protective seal that protects the screen. Okay, it protects the screen and we peel that shit off. And basically that's the watch itself, right? The watch itself, it looks pretty good. It looks like a classic watch. Everything, you know, it's pretty decent looking. But the material, you know, you can tell it's a $20 watch by touching it, right? What do you expect? A Rolex material? Huh? What did you expect? It looking like a Rolex? No, it won't, because it's 20 bucks, okay? But yeah, overall, the watch looks pretty good, feels pretty good. But this locking mechanism, right? It breaks your fucking fingers. I swear to God. That shit is made to give you pain, okay? You need to loosen that shit up. But yeah, overall this shit was so big on my wrist, for real. Like I took me like an hour to figure out how to tighten it, because it's not like you just take out I guess you could take them out, but like I don't know, why would you? But yeah, overall after I tightened it was a pretty good fit. And yeah, basically, right, the watch overall, it looks pretty good. I'll be honest, it looks pretty good for $20, okay? And yeah, it's got the basic modes, like, you know, switching from 24 to 12-hour time. It's got a light and other shit that I don't know what it does. But yeah, that's basically the watch itself. I'd give it 5 pineapples out of a banana, and that's basically it. See ya.